Hey everybody, welcome to the next video of Cooking with Cork. Today we are making a delicious balsamic soy pulled pork using our slow cookers to make this delicious sandwich. A pulled pork on brioche. I'm telling you, this one is worth the watch. Let's get to cooking. Now that we have the pulled pork complete, let's make a sandwich out of this baby. So for this, I got a brioche bun. Just a normal brioche bun. And what I'm gonna do is we're gonna toast it on a cast iron. But first, we'll throw a little mayo on both the sides. Be very ginger with, or not ginger with the mayo, be very forthcoming with said mayo. About that, if you can see that at all. And we're just gonna throw that mayo side down onto the cast iron. All right, now that these are toasted, we're gonna build the sandwich. Look at that right there. That is a perfect toasting. Woo woo. Next we'll add some of that delicious pulled pork. Ooh. And then we'll add some of the pickles. I have these pickles and red onions from a previous episode of Cooking with Cork that we are going to use on top of these. These pickles are awesome for this. Throw some pickles on it. Throw some red onions that are also pickled. Throw a little extra mayo on the top. Let's get this off the heat so it doesn't burn. Throw some mayo on top, and you've got yourself a delicious, look at that sandwich, pulled pork sandwich. Oh my goodness. I'm serving this tonight, and it's gonna be a hit. This is a good party dish for you if you're also planning a night with friends. It's super easy, takes about 30 minutes of prep, throw it in the slow cooker, and you've got yourself a delicious meal. Well guys, as always, please make sure to smash that like. If you liked what you saw today, please try out this recipe. I'm telling you, this is one of my gems. And it's all about the technique of browning it. This is good. This is really good. It's worth a try. Thank y'all. Have a great week.